Hey Wonderfuls! I am just about to do the seasonal tire swap on my car, and I wanted to show you my handiest project yet for working on vehicles. It's just a simple tool cart for storing and organizing automotive gear, and it makes working on vehicles a lot better. It's mostly made from scrap materials, some boards, some old cupboard doors that I cut to accommodate the floor jack, some casters. An afterthought was screwing an old tool roll onto it just to add a little more storage. It keeps everything on hand, and it's nice to be able to roll it from vehicle to vehicle or shop to driveway when the driveway isn't covered with snow. So this is where I keep all the essentials for tire swaps, of course, brake jobs, oil changes, spark plug replacements, and I even keep a little bit of PPE on there just to keep those digits and peepers safe. It's just nice to have a designated spot for the things that I use often, and then I can have everything I need and easily move it to whatever location without making 100 trips to and from the workbench. Kind of makes me want a designated cart for vehicle cleaning items too. Not that I use those very often.